Hi, welcome to the WordPress Plugin Secrets video series. Now, in this particular video series, I'm going to automatically assume that you have WordPress installed, whether in the form of a blog or a website. Now, installing WordPress is very easy, and if you don't have WordPress installed, I'll talk a little more about that at the end of this particular video. Now, this video is video number 1, which is the introduction to the must-have WordPress plugins for you as an online business owner. Now, the way I have structured this video series, there's 10 videos, but the way I've structured this is you really don't have to go in any order after you watch the introduction. So video number 2 is on SEO, on making your online business search engine friendly. So for example, let's say you do have a WordPress blog or site. Now, if that's the case, then, and you already have SEO plugins on your site, you have the good plugins, you can skip over this and vice versa. Video number 3, we're going to talk about how to make your WordPress site or blog more user-friendly and add multimedia such as images, videos, and things like that. Video number 4, we're going to talk about how you can integrate social media, which is very, very powerful right now. Integrate that into your blog or your website. Video number 5, we're going to talk about statistics, Google Analytics, and blog metrics and things like that. Video number 6, we're going to talk about communication, how people can contact you, and how to set up a privacy policy, which Google will take you a lot more seriously if you have a privacy policy in your website or in your blog. Video number 7, we're going to talk about how to make your website or blog mobile friendly, because if you think about it, this day and age, due to the advanced technology, just about everybody has a mobile phone, and a lot of those people surf the internet by using their mobile device. So if your website or your blog is not mobile friendly, then guess what? It's going to be harder for people to view, and they're just going to skip your site and go to the next one in Google. So you want to basically cover, okay, it's search engine friendly, it's user friendly, and it's mobile friendly. Video number 8, we're going to talk about e-commerce and content security. For example, as an online business owner, you're going to have, or you might have an online membership site, you might not have an online membership site, but there will come a time where you want to provide information. You might have people buy that information, whether it's downloadable files or anything like that, but you also want to make sure that it is secure. So that's what we're going to be talking about in video number 8. Video number 9 is website protection, how to protect your WordPress website, how to back up your WordPress site and things like that. Because let's say, for example, that your WordPress site crashed or your host accidentally deleted the files. Now, if they deleted it, they probably would be able to reinstate it, but let's say you accidentally deleted it or something happened. If you don't have a backup, all your hard work is going to be gone. So not only that, you want to protect your website, from outsiders and things like that. Video number 10, we're going to talk about email and autoresponders. Now, as you can see, videos 2 through 10, you can skip over them. Let's say, for example, you just want to learn about how to make your WordPress website mobile friendly. You can go there and find out that information. Now, let's talk about the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need to have WordPress installed first before you implement this video. Now, if you don't have WordPress installed yet, it's okay if you go ahead and watch the videos, but I just want to make you aware that I'm not really going to show you how to install WordPress. But if you want to install WordPress, there are 2 ways to go about doing so. Now, most of you are going to have cPanel web hosting. If you have cPanel, then if you go on your cPanel and you look for Fantastico, it's the big blue smiley face. You click on that, you can install WordPress in less than 30 seconds. Now, if you don't have cPanel and you don't have Fantastico, you can get somebody else to install it for you, But if you go to Google and you type in 5-minute WordPress installation, guess what? You will find a very, very easy to install tutorial on how to install WordPress in less than 5 minutes. So with that said, I'm going to move on to video number 2 and start out by showing you WordPress blogs that will make your blog search engine friendly. Now, I'm not just going to go over one WordPress plugin and that's it. I'm going to go over several different plugins, at least 1 to 2 or 3 different plugins per video. So you can expect for me to go in depth on each plugin so that you know how to use it correctly. So let's go ahead and get started and move on to video number 2.